Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're demystifying the various order types in options trading. Understanding these orders is crucial for executing trades effectively and managing risk. Let's start with the foundational orders. Buy to open. Initiate a new position by purchasing an option. Sell to close. Exit an existing position by selling the option you own. Sell to open. Initiate a new position by writing, selling, an option. Buy to close. Exit a short position by buying back the option you sold. These orders form the backbone of options trading strategies. Next, let's explore how orders are filled. Limit orders. Set a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Market orders. Execute immediately at the current market price. Choosing the right order type helps control trade execution and pricing. Timing is everything. Here are common timing orders. Day order. Expires if not filled within the trading day. Good till canceled, GTC. Remains active until executed or manually canceled. Fill or kill, FOK. Must be filled entirely immediately or canceled. Immediate or cancel, IOC. Fills all or part immediately. Unfilled portions are canceled. These options provide flexibility in managing your trades. Protecting profits and limiting losses is vital. Stop orders. Trigger a market order once a specified price is reached. Stop limit orders. Trigger a limit order once a specified price is reached. Trailing stops. Adjust. Stop price at a fixed amount below the market price. Implementing these can automate your exit strategy effectively. For advanced strategies, combination orders are useful. One triggers other, OTO. Executing one order triggers another. One cancels other, OCO. Executing one order cancels the other. These are particularly helpful in managing multiple positions simultaneously. Understanding order types is fundamental to options trading success. For more in-depth guides and resources, visit optionstrading.org. Equip yourself with the knowledge to trade smarter and more confidently. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Have questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop a comment below.